it's my birthday and I want to celebrate my birthday with you sa pamamagitan ng pag-tour natin dito sa Ritz-Carlton Hotel. So abangan nyo itong episode na ito because i-explore natin, tignan natin yung mga treatments nila. Para isipin nyo, one of these days, makasama ko kayo dito sa ating health and wellness program. See you again. Bye-bye. So once again, this is Dr. Mike. Welcome dito sa ating Health Talk by Dr. Mike. And halika, samahan nyo ako as we explore itong ating health and wellness lifestyle program. Pupunta tayo sa isang lugar, dadalhin ko kayo sa isang lugar para naman ma-experience ninyo kahit papaano yung tinatawag na health and wellness lifestyle program. Marami sa atin ang nagtatrabaho buong araw, buong linggo. At minsan nawawala tayo ng time para sa ating sarili. So this time, once in a lifetime naman ito, once in a year, gagawin natin ito because it's my day. Samahan nyo ko. Tara. Okay? Punta tayo. Abangan natin si mamang driver, wala pa. Abangan nyo mamaya kung saan tayo pupunta. Guess. Laan nyo ha. So welcome back. Nandito na ako sa ating pupuntahang lugar and para i-explore natin and celebrate my day dito sa Ritz-Carlton Hotel. Tara, samahan niyo ako. So we're going to the 116th floor. So we're going to the spa now. So this, and I'm trying to tour you around this one, this area, and at least para maka-relax din kayo, diba? At syempre, habang hinihintay ko ang aking turn, nag-video muna ako dito. So ayan siya, ang paligid dito sa Ritz-Carlton. Hello. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. What is your name?
Oh, my name is Tida.
Tida.
Yes.
Yeah. So she was the one who helped us to book for this place, and yeah, so amazing. I am looking forward for the services later.
You're most welcome. So hope you enjoy the treatment and all the journey today.
Okay, so thank you. So ayan ha, napakabait nila, di ba? Okay, so now I was brought to this room. This room is the consultation room.
Yes,
What is
it's also our retail store, retail
Oh,
shop.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So I have my new friend here. Okay,
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. You need to hydrate yourself. 12 years, and I studied at Hong Kong U, and then after studying at Hong Kong U, they asked me to work for the university. That's it.
So here is our dental changing room.
Okay. guys. So currently we are in the relaxation room dito sa Ritz, and still waiting for my turn. Tatawagan daw ako mamaya-maya. Masyado mainit ang should I be paying for my food? Just thinking. Foods. So I'm at the club lounge. Looking for It's bon appetit everyone. Kakain muna tayo. So, ano ba kakainin natin dito? Nasa club lounge tayo, kaya bawal maingay. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-ingay. Observe proper etiquette, sabi nga nila. Decorum. So, nakiusap ako na payagan tayo. Kain na kayo. At ang ganda ng view natin sa baba. Kaya ang kinakaan ko. So you have the orange juice, the tomato juice, cranberry, and apple juice. Tapos may mga drinks din. And some soda. I like soda. Pepsi, tingnan. At meron din wine. So we're having the lunch now. Lunch. Okay, now trying to taste yung dessert nila. Ito yung may beetroot. Tingnan natin. Masarap pero hindi ko siya. Hindi ko siya gano'ng gusto. Hindi siya matamis. Strawberry na lang. So, more than 1 hour and a half na ako dito. Tagal ko mag-lunch. Meron cheesecake, meron pineapple. Cheesecake, masarap. So finally, I'm done with my lunch. Stay din ako dito ng more than 1 hour. 1 hour and a half. And then, balik ako sa room and see you later. Finally, I'm done sa aking lunch dito sa club, Ritz-Carlton Club. And I'm heading back sa aking room. And see you later. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Mike. Welcome dito sa ating Health Talk by Dr. Mike. Health, wellness, lifestyle, and travel. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Ritz-Carlton Hotel, one of the tallest o highest hotel in the world. Nandito tayo ngayon sa 116th floor at nakikita niyo naman ang view natin. Itong Harbor Plus nandun sa baba. I visited that place yesterday and it's a wonderful place. Bago pa lang yan nasa babang yan. And nakikita niyo naman yung Hong Kong Island side at nandito tayo ngayon sa Kowloon side. We want to celebrate our birthday. We want to celebrate our special day para naman at least mag-enjoy tayo once in a while. This is once in a lifetime because I've done this siguro first time pa lang ito, then dito sa Ritz-Carlton Hotel. At gusto ko ma-experience ninyo ito. And we met some friends here na inalaw tayo na mag-shoot at inallow din tayo na i-explore yung kanilang mga iba't ibang services. So, abangan nyo itong episode na ito para po sa inyo mga dear viewers and followers. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe na rin, and share this beautiful memories sa mga kaibigan ninyo. See you again soon. Bye-bye.
This tea is peppermint tea.
Peppermint. So
Grey,
that's why.
yeah, grey tea and white tea mixed together.
Yes, I only use with jasmine tea.
Yes.
So it's different. It's peppermint.
Yes.
Thank you. So we're going now. No, it's okay. I'll do it. Okay, so I'm going to the treatment room. So medyo madilim siya, hindi niyo ako nakikita. Papunta ako sa treatment room. Mahaba itong hallway na to. Pero maganda siya, relaxing. Tahimik siya, kaso baka mabawal ako dito. Treatment room. And we're going to... Hold on. Thank you so much. Here we are. Nandito tayo sa ating treatment room dito sa Ritz-Carlton Hotel. And this one is the spa. And ito ang aking birthday. Kita nyo naman, sineselebrate nila ang aking birthday. Happy birthday. Overlooking, is this the harbor view? Yes, harbor view. And happy birthday to me. And on my 45th, ayan, hindi ko tinatago ang aking age. 45th birthday, nandito ako ngayon with a matching banderitas. So, for birthdays, syempre nakakataba ng puso na sinelebrate din nila ang birthday ko with this one. Thank you so much, Ritz-Carlton, for sharing this, making my birthday memorable. So, I have this palanggana. Ayan, maglalaba kami mamaya sa palanggana. Tapos may higaan ako. After, maghugas ako dito, etc. So, yun ang gagawin natin. Okay, so, watch out for that. Nahulog ang aking birthday. Hinawakan ko kasi siya. Sige, see you later. Bye-bye.
We have a very nice Ritz-Carlton oil purify on your body. The first one is relax and soothe body oil. And the second one, the invigorating and energizing body oil. I would like you to choose one of them to apply on your body.
Ah, okay.
And then I'm going to give you the sensory experience. Just a moment, please.
So I could choose one of those oil. Okay.
This is the first one.
This is the first one, the first oil.
The first oil is invigorating and energizing body oil.
Energizing body oil, and
The
then
ingredient are eucalyptus, peppermint, rosemary, very good for energize.
and then
The second one is relax and soothe body oil. Ingredient lavender, rosemary, and ginger. Very good for relief aching muscle.
I think that one aching muscle. Anyway,
Yeah, and with a intensive of serum and collagen.
collagen.
Yeah. This one is very good for lifting and firming.
Firming.
And also brightening.
Bright.
And, I'm going to continue massage on
Okay.
your body.
Oh.
And then around 35 minutes going to remove this
Dito, gwapo lalo tayo ha. O sige, mamaya na. Okay, guys. We're done. I almost fall asleep. Buti na ako nakatulog. Ang ganda. It's very relaxing. And thank you, Dina, for that wonderful treatment. My face, my body. Can I sleep more? Look at this one. Yun ang nangyari after. So, I'm heading to another room. I'll have some champagne. And then after, they'll bring me to the swimming pool. So, see you. So, I'm back to my room. And then I'm having, ang init naman. Mainit. Let's have yung cookies nila. Ang hirap na makunin itong cookies. Basta ito cookies, oh. Sige, kain muna tayo ng cookies. Thank you, Ritz-Carlton. Dahil walang, although meron naman ang aking phone, baka mahulog siya ditong bigla. Ang aking phone, hindi ko siya matanaw dun sa kabila. Ayan yung side. Hindi ko siya makuhanan. So medyo hanggang dito na lang ako kasi baka mahulog ang aking phone doon. Although water naman ito, pero syempre iba pa rin, 'di ba? So maganda yung angulo ko kanina, maganda yung lugar ko doon. So it's an indoor infinity pool na may bakod siya syempre kasi medyo medyo mataas, nasa 116 floor to, 'di ba? So ayan siya. So, kakatapos natin ng spa, and then after the spa, we're doing this kind of things. So, maraming natatakot sa kanilang phone na bumagsak siya sa pool. Pero, sa akin, hawak-hawak natin siya. Nandito lang ako sa isang side. Diba? Yan mga kasama. Marami din nag-swimming, pero halos indoor naman. So, yung mga kids, it's only 40 ang capacity nito. Hindi pwede madami because of the pandemic. So, ayan, talagang nakapag-relax tayo ngayong araw. Enjoying the pool here at Ritz-Carlton. Na nakikita nyo naman, medyo may mga bata. Maraming salamat for watching this video. And again, maraming salamat Ritz-Carlton Spa, particularly sa aking birthday experience sa kanila. I had a wonderful experience. To all the staff, to Dina, sa reception, lahat-lahat na. Maraming salamat sa kanilang lahat. And also, we have some friends also, si Edward na nandun sa swimming pool. And also, meron din silang pag-gift sa atin. Again, ladies, thank you so much for making my birthday so wonderful.
Happy birthday!
Ayan maraming salamat po. Please do like, share, and subscribe. This is Dr. Mike, and again, dito sa Ritz-Carlton Spa, please do watch my video. Health Talk by Dr. Mike. See you again soon. Bye-bye! So guys, napakasaya, magandang experience yung nangyari. And time to at least pamper yourself once in a while. Hindi ko po ito ginawa na lagi. Nasa 103 pala ako. And then 103. Bakit ako sa 103? Dahil bababa pala ako. Bababa pala ako pang isa. Okay? After 103, bababa pa tayo isang floor. Okay, sa ground floor pala tayo. Ba't napunta ako dito? Lobby. Lobby. Paano bang pumunta sa lobby? Finally guys, nandito na tayo sa lobby. But, we will be going. Tapos na tayo. Finally, it's the end of our vacation. Dito, palabas na tayo. Okay? Thank you, sir. Okay, finally we're done. Dito sa ating staycation, vacation. Dito sa Ritz-Carlton Hotel. And tayo uwi na. Tapos na. Tapos na ang ating biyahe. Sandali, titignan ko muna. Okay, maraming salamat po. This is Dr. Mike once again po. Salamat po sa pag-greet nyo sa akin, sa pagsama nyo sa akin dito sa aking birthday episode na ginawa natin dito sa Ritz-Carlton. Pamper yourself. Pa sila oh. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.